Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautifully designed 8-bedroom, 6-bathroom home for sale. It is located in Paradise Heights, Montego Bay. It sits on a lovely corner lot with spectacular views of the ocean and the town of Montego Bay. The land area is 0.18 acres. It is fully grilled and completely walled right around the property. It comes with a double car garage, backup water storage, and there is ample yard space for the family. Can be used as a investment property. This incredible home has income earning potential and 2 separate entries along with a great layout. This makes it a very special one. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 370,000 or Jamaican $56.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.